2025 has just begun, and the financial world is already changing faster than ever. From artificial intelligence to green energy and digital currencies, we're standing at the edge of a massive economic shift. The question is, are you prepared to take advantage of it before it's too late? In this video, we're breaking down the best investments to make in 2025, the ones with real potential to grow your wealth over the next decade. Whether you're just getting started or already building your portfolio, these are the opportunities you don't want to miss. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where smart money is heading in 2025. 1. Artificial intelligence and automation. If 2023 and 2024 were the years of AI hype, 2025 is the year of AI reality. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's powering real companies, solving real problems, and creating real profits. Tech giants like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Google are pouring billions into AI infrastructure. But the biggest opportunities aren't only in these mega caps. Smaller niche companies building AI tools for healthcare, education, cybersecurity, and robotics are set to explode. Here's why AI is still one of the best investments in 2025. Global demand is skyrocketing. Businesses everywhere are adopting automation to cut costs. Productivity is rising. AI tools help employees do more with less, driving corporate profits. New industries are emerging. From AI-driven video editing to automated trading systems, entire careers are being built around this technology. Where to invest? AI ETFs like Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, BOTZ, or iShares Robotics and AI ETF, IRBO, for broad exposure. AI infrastructure companies, chip makers, data center builders, and software platforms. AI startups or small cap stocks if you can handle higher risk. Remember, AI is powerful, but don't chase hype. Focus on companies that are already generating revenue or have proven use cases. Pro tip, diversify your AI exposure. Don't just buy one stock, spread across software, hardware, and services. 2. Renewable energy and sustainability. The second big opportunity of 2025 is green investing. The transition to clean energy isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. Governments around the world are committing billions to reach net zero emissions, and investors who understand this shift are already profiting. Think about it. Solar, wind, hydrogen, and EV infrastructure are no longer future trends. They're today's priorities. Top sectors to watch in 2025. Solar energy. Solar costs are dropping, making it one of the most affordable sources of electricity. Companies like First Solar, FSLR, and Enphase Energy, ENPH, are leading the way. Wind power. Offshore wind projects in Europe and Asia are booming. Battery technology. The real gold rush is in energy storage. Lithium, solid-state batteries, and grid-scale storage are essential for renewable expansion. Electric vehicles, EVs. Even as car sales fluctuate, the EV ecosystem, from charging networks to battery recycling, keeps expanding. Why invest now? Governments are offering incentives, and public sentiment favors sustainability. ESG, environmental, social, and governance. Investing continues to grow, and major funds are reallocating billions into green companies. Best investment options. Clean energy ETFs like ICLN or TAN, direct stocks in renewable infrastructure or battery tech, green REITs that focus on sustainable buildings. Final tip. In 2025, sustainability isn't just good for the planet, it's good for your portfolio. 3. Real estate. Next up, real estate. While some investors fear that property prices have peaked, the smart money sees opportunity, especially in affordable housing, commercial conversions, and digital real estate. Let's break it down. Residential real estate housing demand remains strong, especially in growing tech cities and developing regions. Populations are shifting, and people are looking for more affordable homes outside of major urban centers. If you can invest in markets where migration and job growth are increasing, you're set to benefit. Commercial real estate traditional office spaces are struggling due to remote work, but warehouses, data centers, and healthcare facilities are booming. Warehouses support e-commerce. Data centers, power cloud, and AI infrastructure. Healthcare real estate benefits from aging populations. Digital real estate. In 2025, owning land doesn't just mean physical property. It includes online real estate. Domain names, virtual assets, YouTube channels, newsletters, and websites. These are digital properties that generate cash flow. Investment options. REITs, real estate investment trusts, perfect for passive investors. Crowdfunding platforms invest in property without huge capital. Buying and renting, still a timeless wealth builder if managed wisely. Tip: real estate works best as a long-term play. Combine appreciation with rental income for consistent returns. 4. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Now, let's talk about something controversial. Crypto. After a few volatile years, the crypto market is maturing. 2025 could mark the beginning of the next major bull cycle, driven by institutional adoption, regulation, and blockchain utility. Why crypto is back? Bitcoin ETFs have opened the door for traditional investors. Ethereum upgrades are making transactions faster and cheaper. Real-world asset tokenization is transforming how we think about ownership. The best crypto investments in 2025. Bitcoin, BTC, still the king, a store of value in digital gold. Ethereum, ETH, powering the Web3 economy and smart contracts. Layer 2 solutions. Arbitrum, Polygon, solving scalability issues. Utility projects, like decentralized AI, storage, or finance platforms. Caution: crypto remains risky. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. The best strategy is to dollar cost average. Invest small, consistent amounts over time. Alternative idea: instead of buying coins directly, consider blockchain ETFs or companies building real-world crypto applications, exchanges, payment systems, or Web3 gaming. In short, crypto in 2025 is less about hype and more about utility. 5. Index funds and ETFs. Not everyone wants to chase trends, and that's okay. Some of the best investments are also the simplest. Index funds and ETFs are perfect for investors who want consistent, long-term growth without daily market stress. Why they're powerful? They track the overall market, reducing risk. They require little maintenance. They outperform most active investors over time. In 2025, global index funds are expected to continue steady growth, driven by inflation-adjusted corporate earnings and tech innovation. Best options to consider: S&P 500 index funds. Track the top U.S. companies. Total market ETFs. Give exposure to the entire U.S. or global market. Sector ETFs. Let you invest in areas like AI, healthcare, or clean energy. Pro tip: use the core satellite strategy. Make index funds your core holdings for stability, and add smaller, high-growth investments, AI, crypto, startups, as satellites. This keeps your portfolio balanced between safety and opportunity. 6. Precious metals and commodities. When markets get unpredictable, investors look for something solid, literally. Gold, silver, and commodities are making a comeback in 2025 thanks to inflation fears, global tension, and supply shortages. Why metals matter now? Gold protects against inflation and currency devaluation. Silver benefits from industrial use, especially in solar panels. Lithium, nickel, and copper are critical for EVs and battery production. How to invest. Buy physical metals, gold, silver bars, or coins. Invest in commodity ETFs. Look into mining companies with strong balance sheets. Commodities often perform well when stock markets slow down, making them a perfect diversification tool in 2025. 7. The rise of healthcare and biotech. Another powerful sector in 2025, healthcare and biotechnology. We're witnessing breakthroughs in genomics, personalized medicine, and anti-aging research. The world's population is getting older, and demand for innovative treatments, diagnostics, and healthcare technologies is exploding. Key trends to watch: gene editing, CRISPR base editing, curing diseases once thought incurable, AI in medicine, faster drug discovery and diagnosis. Telemedicine, now mainstream after years of growth. Top investment areas: Biotech ETFs like ARKG or IBB, big pharma stocks with strong R&D pipelines, companies using AI for medical solutions. Tip: biotech is high risk, high reward. Always research companies with proven trials and regulatory progress. 8. Education, digital skills, and creator economy. Let's not forget about you. Investing in your own skills might be the smartest move of all. In 2025, digital skills are the new currency. From AI tools to content creation, coding, and automation, people who adapt will lead the new economy. Top self-investments: learn AI tools and automation software. Build digital income streams, YouTube, online courses, or freelance services. Master marketing, storytelling, and branding, timeless skills for any industry. Remember, the best return on investment is one that multiplies your earning potential. When you invest in yourself, you're not just keeping up with the future, you're shaping it. 2025 is a year full of opportunity, but only for those who act. AI, renewable energy, real estate, crypto, biotech, and digital skills. Each of these investments holds incredible potential. But the secret isn't T to invest in everything, it's S to choose what you understand and commit for the long term. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Wealth is built by starting early and staying consistent. So ask yourself, where do you want your money to grow in 2025? Because those who move now will look back years from today and realize, that was the year everything changed. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because in upcoming videos, thanks for watching.